Cricut Design Space version 7.14 contains 2 features and bug fixes. The first new feature is a web landing page for destination pages. Destination pages are the groups of projects and images centered around a theme. For example, Cricut has for beginners and cards. You can now preview destination pages in a browser before you decide if you want to download or launch Design Space. You'll be able to scroll through all the content selected and view projects and profile pages. You can click on links to open other pages. You will need to open up Design Space to bookmark and favorite projects. Version 7.10 introduced this screen to report images. This latest update makes it so that if you're selecting Other as your reason for reporting an image, you must type in a reason and can no longer leave it blank. This update also makes it so you can't report your own images, projects, or profile. This update also includes a number of bug fixes. If you want to look through all of them or read more details about anything on this update, click on the release notes link that I've included in the description below. With school starting back up, I should be able to create more tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see. Thanks so much for watching. Hanks, Maker Mentor. Until next time, bye.